Sometimes it's not the grand monuments or historic landmarks that captivate us, but the serenity of nature's embrace that beckons our souls. And so we hit the call. Today, our journey leads us to a hidden gem in the heart of Black Forest, the Geroldsau Waterfall.
A brief walk from a picturesque pullout led us to the enchanting Grobbach Creek. In the meanwhile, we have been lucky to encounter the Highland cattle for the first time, the oldest registered breed of cow in the world. The 1.5-kilometer walk to Geroldsau Waterfall was a true delight, a natural panoramic path. This stretch of trail is renowned for its unspoiled splendor. With cameras at our disposal, we eagerly captured the interplay of light and shadow on the moss-covered rocks in the creek. These moments were too precious to miss. No more words are needed. Let's immerse ourselves in this beauty together until we reunite in our next video.